Welcome you all class 12th in my channel again, and today we are going to discuss the extract based questions from the chapter Should a Wizard Hit the Mommy by John Updike. Dear students, these are very short answer type questions, and you just need to develop a technique how to find out the answers of the questions asked, and the questions can be found out in the extract given, or sometimes because this is a extract based part, so you have to be very particular about reading of the chapter. And many times you will find the question is asked from the first question, next question may arise out of the answer to the first question or answer to the another question which you have just given. So just keep the energies of your brain active in answering these short questions. So let us start. First extract starts from this custom up to felt empty, and our first question is, which custom is the author talking about? Answer is custom of telling the stories to Joe. Second question, by whom is the custom started? By Jack. Third question, explain his head felt empty. Head felt empty means he could not think any more stories. Because why did his head feel empty? Now you can see the answer. The next question arises out of the third question. Why did his head feel empty? As he had been telling self-composed story for the last 2 years. Now extract number 2, starting from whenever up to childhood. Question number 1. Who does he refer to in the first line? He refers to the character of the story, that is an animal. Question number 2. Who does his refer to in the last line? His refers to Jack. Third question. Why does Jack remember humiliation of his own childhood? In order to bring the required effect while telling the story. And fourth question. Find a synonym to enthusiasm. Synonym means similar word. And this you have to find out from the extract, and that is zest in the last line. Zest, last second line. Now next extract, starting from at last up to is he really? This is a lengthy extract. I have taken it deliberately. Question number 1. Name the two speakers in the lines, and two speakers are Jack and Joe. Second question, what was the new phase? This new phase is of questioning, and which person puts the question? She is Zoe. What does the author mean by a reality phase? It's a reality when a child grows, his or her mind also grows. So a phase of her growing mind. Find a word opposite to artless. This also has to be picked up from the extract. Artless. Artless means innocent or just simple. So opposite to that is sly, given in the extract. Now next extract, starting from Joe made up to Zack. Okay, question number 1. Why did Zoe make the crying face? She made the crying face because Rose's skunk fell short of money. This indicates he was in problem. Next question. What do you infer of Zoe from this? Answer. She shows empathy for baby animals. That means her empathizing nature is highlighted in this. Next. What annoyed Zack? Annoyed means angry. What angered Zack? Seeing Zoe's insincerity. Like when she made a crying face, that was not sincerely done. Fourth question. What trait of Jack is highlighted in this action? Means in his annoyance, in his anger. That shows his authoritative quality. Okay, extract number 5, starting from but up to stories. Question number 1. Name the speaker in the first line. That is little Joe. First line is but the other little Ammon. Ammon here means animals. Question number 2. What is the tone of the speaker? When she says but, the very first word but indicates that she was opposing. Question number 3. What is she opposing? Opposing is just before it, Jack told her that her conversion of Rose friends into the string again, and that was opposed by Zoe. How did Zack quieten her? By threatening her not to tell any more stories, because she was all the time interrupting and giving her own opinions, and that was not liked by Zack. Okay, extract number 6. Starting from she thought up to his words. Question number 1. Who does she refer to? Little Zoe. When did she think the story was over? That was usual for every day when wizard changed the stink into rose fragrance, and after playing with animals, skunk went to his home back. Next question. Jack didn't. His words. Okay, this is the last line. What does this show of Zack? Zack didn't. Now see the line in the extract. Zack didn't like women when they took anything for granted. So here his prejudiced behavior means he makes the opinion beforehand, that is shown here. Next, find a word similar to confused, that means apprehensive. One more quality in this statement: Jack did not like the women taking the things for granted. One more quality, like his authoritative nature, his superiority, everything can be correct here. Okay, extract number 7. One more question. Find a word similar to confused from the extract. Similar, same word, confused. So it is given in the last line, apprehensive. Okay, now next. Extract number 7, starting from the woodwork up to middle position. Question number 1. Why are all the things kept together for painting? Who was doing the painting? Claire. Who was Claire? His wife, Jack's wife. He felt caught in an ugly middle position. Why? He was badly tired. Why was he badly tired? Because Zoe kept asking the questions and giving suggestions, and all his efforts of making sleep were going in vain. That is why he was so tired. So this was all in today's video. We'll meet again. Till then, bye-bye.